I'm George McCranie, DUI and criminal defense attorney with offices in Valdosta and Douglas, Georgia. Today I wanted to give you 5 tips or ways to beat a Georgia speeding ticket in court. Number 1, be prepared. Know what type of ticket you have, the citation number, and the officer's information that he has added to the form. 2, go online. Go to Google or some other search engine and look up the law. Know what the elements of the law that you've been charged with, the violation, know what the elements are, and know what the officer must prove in court. An example of this would be the calibration of the radar must be done before and after you were stopped. So it must be done before your ticket and after your ticket, and the officer must prove that in court. If you don't know the law or the basics, then you don't know where to begin. Now, 3, in Georgia, officers generally use 3 ways to determine your speed: radar, laser, and visually with a tracking history. Now, everyone's familiar with radar and laser, but in Georgia, a driver can be convicted of speeding based on a certified officer's visual estimation of your speed, and you could be convicted on his visual estimation alone. Now, I have several videos that deal with radar and laser and the tracking histories that the officers have to have that give you more information on the topic, and you can find those on my website, totalduidefense.com. Now, you also want to be familiar with each type of speed estimation that's used and the type that was used in your case. Now, 4, at court, make sure the officer has proven all and finally, before court, talk to the officer that gave you the ticket. See if the officer will be willing to dismiss the ticket or reduce the speed. Remember, if the officer doesn't agree to completely dismiss the charge, the next best result could be a reduction of the speed. Now, because you appeared at court and you appeared to be knowledgeable and interested in your case and about the law, the officer may agree to reduce the speed so that there would be no points assessed on your Georgia driver's license. And that's good in 2 ways. It would save the points on your license is 1, and 2, it keeps your insurance rates from skyrocketing. Now, hopefully I've given you some helpful tips and information that you can use in your speeding case in Georgia. For more information on speeding tickets, DUI, or marijuana, or other criminal charges, go to my website, totalduidefense.com.